Why you should start eating black cumin seed today. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health routine. What if I told you that a tiny black seed could hold the secret to better health, glowing skin, and a stronger immune system? It sounds like a myth, but this seed has been used for thousands of years. It was even found in the tomb of the Egyptian king Thymoquinone. They called it the seed of blessing. Today, we are talking about black seed, also known as Nigella Sativa or black cumin. Modern science is finally catching up to ancient wisdom, uncovering the incredible properties hidden inside these tiny seeds. But what exactly happens to your body when you eat black seed every single day? In this video, we will explore the amazing, science-backed benefits of adding black seed to your daily routine and exactly how you should consume it for maximum results. Make sure to watch until the end, because the way you prepare it changes everything. Before we talk about the benefits, we need to understand why black seed is so powerful. The secret lies in a unique active compound called Thymoquinone. You won't find this powerful compound in many other foods. Thymoquinone is a highly potent antioxidant. But what does that mean for you? Every day, our bodies face oxidative stress from pollution, unhealthy food, and lack of sleep. This stress causes our cells to age faster. Thymoquinone acts like a natural shield. It neutralizes these harmful free radicals, helping to protect your cells from daily damage. It's not a magic cure, but it is one of nature's best ways to support your body's natural defense system at a cellular level. Do you often feel tired or find yourself catching every seasonal bug that goes around? Your immune system might need a natural boost. This is where black seed truly shines. By consuming black seed regularly, you are providing your body with essential nutrients that support immune function. Studies suggest that black seed helps stimulate the production of macrophages, the special cells in your body that hunt down and destroy outside invaders. Think of it as giving your internal army the right supplies to keep you feeling energized and resilient, especially during the cold winter months. Now, let's talk about your gut. If you frequently experience bloating, gas, or indigestion after meals, black seed might become your new best friend. For centuries, black cumin seeds have been used as a natural remedy to soothe the stomach. The oils inside the seeds help stimulate digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food. Furthermore, black seed has prebiotic properties, meaning it helps feed the good bacteria in your gut microbiome. A balanced gut means less bloating, better nutrient absorption, and a much happier stomach overall. True beauty starts from within, and black seed is a fantastic addition to your skincare and hair care routine. The seeds are packed with essential fatty acids, specifically omega-6 and omega-9, along with vitamins and amino acids. When you consume these healthy fats, they help your skin retain its natural moisture barrier. Thanks to its soothing anti-inflammatory properties, black seed is known to calm redness and irritation. And it doesn't stop at your skin. These nutrients also nourish your hair follicles from the inside out, supporting a healthy scalp and promoting natural, shiny hair. Heart health and blood sugar balance. Let's move on to something vital for everyone: cardiovascular health. Keeping your heart strong and your blood sugar balanced is essential for long-term wellness. Black seed has been heavily researched for its positive impact on the cardiovascular system. Regular consumption may help support healthy cholesterol levels by balancing the good and bad cholesterol in your body. Furthermore, for those looking to avoid afternoon energy crashes, black seed can help maintain steady blood sugar levels throughout the day. When your blood sugar is stable, you feel less fatigued, experience fewer cravings for junk food, and keep your energy consistent from morning until night. Respiratory health and easier breathing. Another incredible, yet often overlooked benefit of black seed involves your lungs and respiratory system. For hundreds of years, traditional herbalists recommended black cumin oil for people living in dusty environments or cold climates. The active compound we mentioned earlier, Thymoquinone, has natural relaxing properties that support the airways. It acts as a gentle bronchodilator, which means it helps keep your respiratory tracts open and relaxed. If you often deal with seasonal changes, stuffy environments, or just want to take deeper, clearer breaths, adding black seed to your diet can provide wonderful, natural respiratory support. Brain health, focus, and memory. Did you know that what you eat directly affects your ability to focus? Brain fog is a modern epidemic, but black seed can offer a natural solution. Your brain consumes a massive amount of oxygen, making it very sensitive to oxidative stress. Because black seed is packed with powerful antioxidants, it helps protect brain tissue from this daily damage. Studies suggest that the neuroprotective properties of Nigella Sativa can support better memory retention and sharper focus. Whether you are studying for a big exam, working long hours at a desk, or just want to keep your mind sharp as you age, this tiny seed is amazing brain food. Joint comfort and mobility. Finally, let's talk about physical comfort. If you ever wake up with stiff joints or experience muscle aches after a long day of working or exercising, black seed might be exactly what your body is craving. Inflammation is the root cause of most joint discomfort. The potent anti-inflammatory properties of black seed oil work deeply within the body to soothe overworked muscles and calm irritated joints. Many people who incorporate black seed into their daily routine report feeling more flexible, lighter, and more comfortable in their daily movements. It is like a natural, soothing balm for your skeletal system from the inside out. So, you are ready to start taking black seed. But how much should you take, and how should you eat it? For daily wellness, you don't need a lot. Just 1 teaspoon, about 2 to 3 grams a day, is perfectly enough. But here is the most important rule: do not just swallow the seeds whole. Your body cannot break down the hard outer shell. To release the powerful oils and thymoquinone, you must crush, grind, or chew the seeds right before eating them. One of the best and most popular ways to take it is to crush 1 teaspoon of black seeds and mix it with a spoonful of raw, organic honey. The honey boosts the absorption and balances the strong, bitter taste of the seed. You can also sprinkle the crushed seeds over your morning yogurt, oatmeal, or a fresh salad. As amazing as black seed is, remember that balance is key. Natural doesn't mean you can eat unlimited amounts. If you are pregnant, nursing, or taking specific medications, especially for blood pressure or blood thinners, you must speak with your doctor before adding black seed to your diet. Have you ever tried black seed before? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more natural wellness tips. Stay healthy, and see you next time.